Before I show you anything, watch this. This entire cinematic video was generated using AI. No editing tricks, no VFX software, just one tool. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you how to create not just short clips, but 2 to 3 minute long consistent AI videos using this method. Because this changes everything. Seedance 2 is officially live now, and I got early access. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Seedance 2 today to create Hollywood-level videos. Let's start. So first, you need good prompts, which I get from ChatGPT. I collect 3 to 4 prompts and train my chat to generate Seedance 2 Hollywood-level prompts. So I uploaded a prompts doc file and wrote a simple instruction. You can get it from my Telegram channel. After that, it asked for some details like what scene or transformation you want, so I said do it on your own. It generated detailed Seedance 2 prompts. Just copy that. Then come to any AI tool like Syncs AI, invideo, or Higgsfield. You can use any. This is not a paid promotion, just a tutorial. So I am using Syncs AI. Here, go to the video section. From the right panel, choose Seedance. Then select New. Set quality to Pro. Choose your aspect ratio. Set video duration to 15 seconds. Now here's where Seedance 2 becomes insane. It supports 3 audio files in one video, 6 reference images at once, and 3 reference videos. No other model currently supports video reference like this, which makes it extremely powerful for storytelling. That's why it's already dominating many AI video models. I have already compared Seedance and Kling. You can check my previous videos for that, including prompts. Now look at this. I generated a video where I transform into a superhuman, and the result is crazy. The motion feels natural, the physics look realistic, no weird glitches. Now here's how you do it. Take your detailed prompt from ChatGPT, upload your character image, then upload the armor or transformation image. Now in the prompt, type @character. You will see image references like image 1, image 2. Use image 1 for your character, use image 2 for the armor, and hit generate. That's it. You can place images anywhere inside the prompt where needed. I also created multiple videos using this method, and the quality is top-notch. You can check my previous videos for full HD results. Now this is where things get really interesting. You can continue scenes from your previous video. For example, I created a war-torn desert city scene for 15 seconds. Then I uploaded that generated video as a reference, and asked ChatGPT to extend the scene. It generated the next prompt, and when I ran it, it continued from the exact same frame. Same characters, same environment, smooth continuation, no breaks. That means you can now create long cinematic scenes, short films, story-based AI videos, all using this method. And don't worry about prompts. I've shared everything on my Telegram channel. You can grab them from there. One more important thing. Sometimes you may get errors. If that happens, avoid using public figure images. Use your own images instead of celebrities, and you'll get better results. Now go try this yourself. Create something insane, and bring your imagination to life.